There's activity down the tunnel. Get ready. What a match we have elected for the 4-1-3-2. And well, let's get going with today's game. Militao in possession. Well cut out. Mbappe! Great save by Edison. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. That's a great ball in. Vinicius Jr., great run. Off the post. That's well out by the defence. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. Oh, well timed. He's shaping to shoot. Yamal looks comfortable on the ball. He steps up to steal the ball. Tries his luck from distance. Well, the fans thought he'd scored, but it's into the side netting. Goal kick. A long-distance pass. What an opportunity! It's Haaland. Well, so far, so good. The favourites have got the opening goal. Militao in possession. Hits it on. Mbappe! Off the woodwork. So close. He comes forward with the ball. Cristiano Ronaldo. There was way too much power on that shot. No goal. Let's see how close it was. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. Aha, quality defending there. Vicious pass. It's 1-0, but what will the winning side do in the second half? Attempt to increase their lead or try to protect it? It's 1-0. The losing team have the next 45 minutes to turn things around. Good, clean challenge. The referee has to do something about it. That was a dreadful challenge. It's Lionel Messi. Great save by Edison. Nice pass. He rose up to win the ball. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Oh, confident defending. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. With the calibre of players on the bench, I'm not surprised the manager will be making some substitutions. Cristiano Ronaldo. And he's won it back for his team. Lionel Messi. Goes for the volley. It was a long-range shot, but the keeper read it. And he's given possession away in a dangerous place. A careless pass there. So this player will come off and a new one will take to the pitch. Headed on. It's Lionel Messi. That really was some finish. That was a brilliant individual goal. He took the ball through the entire team. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. Now it's Vinicius. He's moving fast with the ball. This team needs to find a way back into the match. Poor attempt to win the ball. This team really are controlling the game. Nodded on. He's through on goal, but can he finish it? Took his chance. Great composure from this player. Is that goal just the start of many? And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? Lionel Messi. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. Back off the post. Let's start again. How will that change things? They thrashed their opponents today. 4-0, a stunning victory. He's been outstanding. To no one's surprise, he's been named as the player of the match.